Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and in this particular video we are looking at the part 2. We're going to be considering the second part of the grass tutorial. So in this second part we are going to be going over the registration process. So you want to use the link in the description of this video and just tap on it and you will come up here. Now I'm using my computer, so this is the computer version of the registration. So let's go ahead and do the registration immediately, and a few other things that follow will ensure that this video doesn't take too long. So next thing is to sign up. So I'm going to use email to sign up. Then that's the referral code is showing there already, so you can actually just copy this. It's in the description there. It's either use it or as you click on that link it automatically shows. So next is to check on I agree to terms and conditions. I agree to receive updates about products and services, promotions. Check I'm not a robot. All right, next is to now click on the register button. That's how simple it is. All right. All right, registration successful. You can now use your account. All right, so next we're going to now log in. So let's scroll up. Okay, it's open now. Okay, we're going to be checking the email to see the verification link so that we can verify. So I'm going to open the mail to check. All right, email successfully verified. So return to dashboard. We click here. So next, let's accept all cookies. Okay, so next now we will now log in. So let's log in. Username or all right, so now you can see this is the first login, and the message here says link your Solana wallet. So you need to have Solana wallet. All right, so you have to choose the wallet type. Usually you can have that installed on your Chrome, Google Chrome. You can install that. You can actually install it as an extension, a Chrome extension. So you can now connect your Solana wallet to Grass on the rewards page. Resource usage will be tracked to your wallet address as we step into the next chapter of decentralizing the network. Go to rewards page. Now, for you to even for you to connect your Solana, you need to send some Solana to your Solana wallet. That's it. It must be there for you to track it. It's not going to take anything from there, but it's just to be sure that you are not a robot. So that's why you must have some Solana in your wallet. Okay. All right. So let's accept all. Okay. So we are here now. Now the email has been verified. Okay. So next thing now is to verify wallet address. Now point your cursor to this. You see, you will not be able to change your wallet address after wallet verification. So at this point, you must make sure that the wallet address you want to use is the one that you want to use. Okay, because once you've connected it, you can't change it. Take note. Once you connect your wallet, you can't change it. So make sure that the wallet you're going to use is the right wallet. Now, talking about Solana wallet, you have Phantom and you have other wallets too. So let's for us to connect now, connect wallet for Grass. Select the wallet that will be attached to Grass for your rewards. Now I'm not sure there's any wallet on this particular browser. All right, Chrome. Okay, but I have it on Brave. So but let's try and see here. Okay, so now connect a wallet on Solana to continue. So these are options here. You have Bitget, you have Get Wallet, Get.io, you have Magic Eden, you have Backpack, you have OKX, Web3, you have Software, and you have Phantom. So let's use Bitget Wallet. Let me use Bitget Wallet. Okay, so I decided to show you this because I know some of you may have issues with it if you're using your desktop. So what I just did here, let me open a new browser. I'm installing the Bitget wallet now because I want to use Bitget here because I have sent funds there already, thinking it will work in the other one. So what I will do now is just to open here. Okay, got it out. Okay, so what I did here is to is Chrome extensions I'm looking for. So under here, you can come to here. You see why I clicked on these three dotted lines. So you see extensions. Yep. So it will open. So and you see that a Bitget has been added. I just want to take you through how I did that. All right. So now it's here. Okay. So what I alternatively you can just tap here, this extension, and then manage extensions. You get it? So manage extension, so it opens. So what I just did was to search. Like now, if I want to bring OKX, let me use OKX to now show you OKX wallet. You see, it's not here, so I'll go to Chrome Store. So here now, I can now search OKX wallet, OKX wallet. Here you can see, sorry, it didn't bring out the OK. Okay, you can see OKX wallet now. So it will search it out. And so you can see it here now. So I can now click on this. And then you now wait for it to populate so that it can ask you to add to Chrome. That's just what I did with the Bitget. So just click on add to Chrome. Then you click on this add extension. Rolling now, see the progress bar here. It's rolling here. This place is loading. You can see the what do you call it now, the progress report. Okay, so that's how I did that. So now let's continue with the linking here. So I'm going to now log in again. So grass opens here. So next is accept all. So what I'll do now is to log in rather than sign up. You know, we signed up already. So I just enter the details. So the OKX wallet has been installed. You can see it here now. It's been installed. Let's close that. So we can close this now. We can close this. We can close. Okay, so I need to import the wallet here. Okay, I think I need to import the wallet here. So let me quickly do the importation of the wallet while I sign in. All right, so I just imported my Bitget wallet instead of creating new account. So if you don't have any wallet at all, create a new one, okay? And then it will give you your passphrase. Make sure you don't store the passphrase online. Copy it out in a diary where only you will know. Keep it safe, okay? All right, so and let me make it default here on this very browser. Okay, so that's done. So next is to now log in. I've logged in here already. Okay, so next is to now link my Solana wallet. So let's quickly go to rewards page now. Accept all. So here we are now. So I click on connect wallet now. You can see it has detected Phantom still. It has also detected Bitget wallet. So the Phantom is like it's syncing with my Brave, right? So but it has detected this one now because there's fund in it. So we choose Bitget. So look at it now. So it's going to link. Okay, so there's a request here. So I connect. Okay, verify by signing. So you can see that. So what I just do, I'm not going to use a ledger. So I'll just do verify because, okay, I agree. So the website is requesting my signature. So I agree. And that is it. You can see that it's been connected now. So next thing is that an email will be sent to your account's associated email to verify your wallet address. All right, so send email. Okay, so I'm going to the email right now. Okay, so here's the email now. Greetings Angela 247. We are sending you this email because you connected a wallet address in your grass account. Click the link below to verify that you own this wallet address. After wallet verification, there is no way to change the wallet address connected to your dashboard. It is your responsibility to ensure that your chosen wallet is secure. So verify. So at this point, verification is completed. You can see that now. Okay, so next is the desktop app. So let's quickly go to store. Okay, here we are now. So click on download. Okay, so we are downloading this now for Windows. Okay, so now my Brave wallet is now requesting to switch, so I can connect here now and disconnect from the Chrome, right? And another challenging thing I'm going to have here now next is that because I'm going to move this to another computer. So in the other computer now, we're going to import the same Bitget into that computer, Chrome, and then so it can be running there with a different network because this is my wife's account, all right, and I had to use it to do this demonstration. So in our own laptop now, we're going to install the Bitget there and then just transfer everything, then import the wallet into that, and then so it will be running there. It will no longer run on my own computer. Okay, so that's what we've done now. So with what we have now, so let's go back to dashboard. So you can see I generated 6.3 now while we are on it. So if you open the app here now, the app I can disconnect and then reconnect. It's reconnecting. Okay, it's reconnecting. Okay, so now you can see it's showing connected now. So the app is reconnecting 75% quality, network quality, and it's still in pink. So once it connects, it shows green. All right, so I think it's been a journey here. It's really been a journey, and from what we've got now, you can go ahead and install yours quickly. Just follow this guide. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and I'm going to make sure that I make a video to answer your questions. I appreciate you so much for watching till this point, and I'm still also going to try my best to get the Android version of it and make that video for you, because I know that a lot of people also, you know that most of my videos are on smartphones, so I'm going to make sure I do that installation on the mobile smartphone so that for those of you who don't have laptops or computers, you can quickly get on board. So just get started already and let's start farming grass, because hopefully between now and January or February latest, we should be able to get some good stuff. And you can imagine we're entering bull run, so farm a lot of grass for yourself, because 2025 is really going to be a very great and beautiful year financially for you. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that once I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. I appreciate you so much. So much love. God bless you.